Welcome to another Azure SQL Managed Instance video where we will cover the topic of backup transparency. Here we have created a test database and I will show you how you can query msdb database to get more information about your backups. Similarly to on-premise SQL Server, we can query msdb database to get information about full, differential, and log backups. Azure SQL is taking automated backups on your behalf, and you can filter specific backup types by filtering column type in backup set table. You can also filter out copy-only backups initiated by user. As we currently have none, I'll take one backup manually. After successfully taking backup, I can filter results from backup set table by filtering column is copy only to find only user initiated backups. And you can see the results. Thanks for watching.